Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be creating an HTML form. This is a sample of the form we will be creating. It is an employment application form. It asks the user for some personal information. The form consists of text fields, select menus, checkboxes, radio button, and the text area, and the submit and the receipt button. The form inputs and input label are organized into a table. So let's get started. You need to open the form.html file in the HTML docs folder corresponding to this lecture. The form.html file is open. You will notice that the basic page structure is already set up. The HTML code also contains a table with 2 columns and 9 rows. In the body, we will use the table for our form. Let's preview the file. Just make sure our table is visible and there are no errors in the code. This is what your page should look like. Initially just an empty table with our 2 columns and 9 rows. The first thing we need to do to create our form is insert our open and close form tag. These tags will contain all the HTML code to our form fields, such as text inputs, select menus, submission button, and other form elements. It's very important to create the form tags first, otherwise the form will not work. The form tag must encompass the entire table because all our form fields will be contained within the table. The form tag is also important attribute that we must be defined first. It's good practice to name the form so that if you create multiple forms on the same page, each can be distinguished from other. We will name this form is employment. Next, we need to instruct our browser on where to send this form data upon submission is known as form action. In our case, we will be sending the data to PHP script which will instruct our web server on how the data should be processed for the form action. Let's type in send.php to the action attribute. We will create the send.php in the PHP section of the course. In addition to the action attribute, we must also specify the method of data transmission to a form method. Tells the browser to submit the data through the post or get method. For now, we will define the method is post. We will explore both these methods in more detail in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.